Hey guys, so today is going to be a little different. Um, this is actually going to be a vlog because I've been putting off doing some things in the house. And the first thing is this freaking closet, which is kind of like a storage closet because where I put my shoes. But one of my rack had fell like back in the summer. And I started fixing it, but then I kind of like threw everything on the ground. So it is a mess in there. So I'm going to just be warned. And also, I want to work on this bookshelf. I'm going to show you in a minute, but let me show you what it looked like in here. So guys, yeah, this is the closet. And I do own a lot of shoes. This is not even half of my shoes that I own. I had the other half at my parents' house, where I still have my room. So I have all these clothes on the ground, and a lot of these clothes and things that I know I'm never gonna wear again. So I'm gonna start sorting out through what I need to give away. So this is pretty much where I'm at with this. And then I have this other thing I want to do, which is this bookshelf. Now if you look at it, you know it's not a traditional bookshelf because it has that really big area. It really was for like a TV. Is very old. I mean, this thing is probably almost as old as me. So I was like, okay, what do I do? Because I really love it. It's sturdy, it's durable. I don't want to get rid of it, and I don't want to really buy a new bookshelf. So I decided to take off the door, and I'm like, yeah, I don't use the sides. They still kind of empty. So I'm going to just take it off, and I took the top one off that's on the floor. So I'm going to take them all off, clean it out, and then rearrange it because I have books in my bedroom that books are sitting on the floor in my bedroom, guys. Not cool. So I need to get rid of it off the floor, and I need to rearrange in here and make room, which is probably not a good thing somewhat because you know when you make room is only gonna encourage you to buy more books. Yeah. And then I want to get some hanging plants. So this is not going to be a quick redo. I'm just going to do the basic, and then that's probably not till next year get some plants because I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling. I am officially on vacation, so I don't want to get any plants that I can't take care of that needs a lot of love and care. So I'm going to just do the basics, and that's the plan for today, guys. So let's see how much I can get done. And yeah, wish me well, guys. Oh, and by the way, my 2 boxes came in already. I still need, I think there's like 3 more packages that's supposed to be delivered, and the top one I can't wait to show you guys what I got in the top one, but I'm not gonna do the unboxing yet. I'm gonna wait until I get everything in so I can show you what I got, and some good stuff. Yeah. So far, I think I cleaned up pretty well. All that stuff off the ground pretty much. Now these 2 bags are clothes I need to donate. So my mom usually does a thing with her church, so she'll usually go through it, and that's what I do. This box is gonna go in the trash. And these are my fake plants that I have in here. So I do have fake ones as well that I use for like pictures. But as you can see, my shoes didn't really... This needs to go through as well because I need to... Some of these shoes I haven't worn in a while that I need to think about. Especially the ones in the box. Giving away. And I even have this over here. Yeah. So, and There's some boxes over here as well with shoes. Yeah, I am making progress, guys, making progress. So we'll see. So we'll see what I do over the next couple of weeks, because I need to, like I said, go through and dump stuff and stop holding on. All right, so this is what I have so far for here, and I can't wait to rearrange. I'm not gonna take these off, because if I do later on decide that I want to put them back on and maybe give it away or sell it, or probably just give it away or dump it, or if somebody wants it, if I decide to get rid of it, I don't want it to be an issue putting it back on, so I'm keeping it. But yeah, and then I'm gonna leave the top for now, because I don't know how I want to rearrange the top. But yeah, I'm gonna start filling in the books. Yeah, and this is all the trash, guys. Look at the trash. Yeah, this is all trash I got from that was in some of the shelf areas. Yeah. Guys, this is what I have so far. I am tired. I am sweaty and tired. It's been a productive day. Can't complain. So I'm gonna get something to eat and take a shower, because I'm not doing any more today. I'm gonna leave it at this. And yeah. But so far I like that I have space, guys. I love that I have space. Like, look at all that room down the bottom. And these are, I would say, 80% books I've read already. There are a few in there that I haven't read. But maybe when I'm done decorating, adding some stuff. Yeah, so it's incomplete, but you get the gist of what I'm trying to do with this. So yeah, I'm going to, yeah, come back with something else. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the video here. This is one of those productive day. I feel real good. Didn't do any writing except for journaling. I did journal today. So you know, guys, I'm still continuing doing a journal mood, and so reflecting on 2010. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna read this. I'm gonna read a few pages. Guys, it's not even that late. It's like 6 something. I think 6:29, but the weather is a little crappy outside, so it's just one of those cozy days, and I am going to get into the count and in this video here. So I'm gonna continue on figuring out how I'm gonna decorate the shelf, but for right now, really loving it. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.